Mommy read. Mommy read.
Today we're going to read a book about Moana. This storybook came with a wind-up toy and a play track. There was once a young girl called Moana. She lived with her family on the beautiful island of Motonui. When she grew up, Moana would be chief of Motonui, just like her father. One day, Moana's grandmother told her a darkness had infected Motonui. Only a demigod named Maui and a stone called the Heart of Te-Fiti could save it. Moana set sail to find Maui at once. Soon, Moana found Maui living alone on an island. Moana asked for help, but Maui refused and stole her boat. "You're welcome." The ocean pulled Moana through the water and put her back on the boat. Realizing he had no choice, Maui agreed to help Moana return the Heart of Te-Fiti. Before returning the heart, Maui needed to get his magic hook back off a giant crab called Tamatoa. He lived in the realm of monsters. When they arrived, Moana distracted Tamatoa. She and Maui were then able to escape with the hook. The pair quickly sailed to Te-Fiti. When they arrived, a lava monster named Taka attacked. Maui's hook was damaged by Taka. Suddenly, a tidal wave swept their boat far away from the mother island. With his hook damaged, Maui left Moana all alone. Then the spirit of her grandmother appeared to remind Moana of who she was. The determined young girl sailed back to Te-Fiti. Taka was about to strike once more when Maui appeared and took the blow. Moana soon realized Taka was the mother island. She bravely placed the heart into the creature's chest. Te-Fiti began to emerge from the flames. Moana returned to Motonui. She had succeeded in restoring the heart of Te-Fiti and was ready for her next great adventure. The end. And I hope you liked this book. Bye.